I want to share one of my go-to, very quick, very simple, healthy lunch ideas that is both high in protein and lower in carbohydrate. This is my buffalo chicken salad served in butter lettuce cups. And let me tell you, if you love chicken salad and you love buffalo wings, you are going to want to make this salad. It's like the best of both worlds, but it's a bit lighter. Plus it is packed with protein. Each serving has nearly 40 grams of protein. Plus you're going to work in some veggies, and it is just so simple and so satisfying. Now don't blink, because this is a very quick recipe. The first thing you're going to do in a nice big bowl is add 2 cups of finely chopped or shredded chicken. Now, to save yourself some time, you could easily just do this with a rotisserie chicken. My recommendation is once you get it home from the grocery store, you want to shred it apart while it's still warm. This is just going to make the job a lot easier. Now, if you prefer to do this all from scratch, then I would recommend that you make my simply shredded slow cooker chicken. That is another ingredient that is a staple in our home. I've shared that one in the past, and I will be sure to link it for you down in the description box below. Then I'm going to add in a half a cup of finely diced celery, a half a cup of diced onion. I'm using a white onion because they're nice and mild, but you could also do a red onion here. And then I have 1/3 cup of finely diced carrot. That's going to add a great crunch and just a little hint of earthy sweetness. And quick side note, you could also add some finely chopped up spinach or some arugula here as well. That's a really easy way to work more greens into your diet, and I will often do that when making a chicken salad or a tuna salad, because I am a big believer that every little bit counts. Then, to keep the recipe nice and light while getting that extra boost of protein, I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt. And then I'm also going to do just 1 tablespoon of mayo. I just love good old-fashioned mayo, and a little bit goes a long way. Now, you could of course do all Greek yogurt, or you could do all mayo, or you could do any ratio of the two that you prefer. They truly will all work, and they're all going to get you a nice, creamy, tangy, delightful flavor. And then last but not least, and the star of the show, I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of buffalo wing sauce. I'm a big fan of the Primal Kitchen brand, but of course, use what you have, use what you love. I'm going to finish that with a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and then I'm just going to stir this until I have it well combined. Ultimately, you just want all of your chicken and all of the veggies to have a nice light coating of the yogurt sauce. Then what I love to do is to serve them with butter lettuce cups. So I take a couple of leaves, create a little cup, and then you scoop the chicken salad right into the center. And then what I love to do is top them with a drizzle of blue cheese dressing and a drizzle of extra buffalo sauce. Side note, I also have a recipe for Greek yogurt blue cheese dressing. I'll link that for you in the description box below if you want to check it out. A few extra scallions over the top for some color and some pop, and these are ready to roll. This is such a simple and delicious, comes together quickly, high protein lunch idea that you could easily pack and bring with you as well. In which case you would just transfer it into an airtight container, put the lettuce leaves on the side, and enjoy. That is delicious. The flavor and the texture, perfect. If you enjoy easy, healthy recipes, just like the one I've showed you here today, make sure you take a moment to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. This way you'll never miss a new recipe. And don't forget to sign up for our weekly newsletter as well. That link is waiting for you down in the description box below. This way you do not have to come looking for my recipes, because I'll send them straight to you. Thanks for watching. I'm Danny Spies, and I'll see you back here next time with some more clean and deliciousness. Cheers!